Okay guys, this is the final what I wound up coming up with. I actually put elastic around the legs, guys. I think that this made me feel a lot more secure, and then the elastic can kind of grip, so not so much of the black part of my buttock showing. So this is the final look, guys, and I added 2 little ties on the side where you can tie it into a bow on each side. And there we go, guys. That is the final look for the romper set. You guys have an awesome day and make awesome projects. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, these is the finishing results after the modification. And like I said, I put elastic down at the end of the legs and actually put 2 tassels on each side, tied it in a bow, and I like that a lot better than the shorts when the black part of your buttocks is showing. So I just added elastic down to the bottom to make that not appear like that, so it can hide some of that imperfection. So thank you guys for watching and have an awesome day.